This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if you accidentally deleted a contact on your Android phone. Just go to the Gmail setting right here, go to Gmail, open this up, go to the top left, and then you can see you can scroll all the way down and up. If you go down, we have contacts listed on here. This will open up the Google Contacts app, and then we can go on down under here. We got Organize. We go to the trash can, and we can see the contact in here. We can go to this, and we can go to the top right, and we can go to recover. So let's recover that guy back to my phone. And once this is recovered, we can go back now, and we can go to restore contacts, and we should be able to sync this now with our phone. Make sure contact sync is turned on. Start syncing, and you can see this is going to sync now. 16 contacts are synced with my phone. So before I had 15. Now that should be back on my phone. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.